Fix Forza Horizon 6 error code E017. Load failed error occurred while trying to load save data. 1. Restart your PC and game, close Forza Horizon 6 completely, restart your computer normally, launch the game again and check the save. 2. Check Xbox and Microsoft accounts sync. Make sure you are signed into the correct Xbox account. Wait for cloud save synchronization to finish. Avoid closing the game during syncing. 3. Verify game files, open Steam or Xbox app, go to Forza Horizon 6 properties. Click Verify integrity of game files. Tat 4. Backup and delete corrupted save files. Open the Forza save game folder. Copy your saves to another location as backup. Delete corrupted or recent damaged save files. 5. Reset the Xbox app and gaming services. Open Settings, Apps, Xbox app. Click Advanced Options, Repair Reset. Do the same for gaming services. 6. Check internet connection. Use stable internet while loading cloud saves. Restart your router if connection is unstable. Avoid VPN or proxy connections. 7. Disable cloud save temporarily. Turn off cloud synchronization briefly. Start the game with local saves only. Re-enable cloud saves after testing. 8. Update Windows and drivers. Install the latest Windows updates. Update GPU and chipset drivers. Restart your PC after updates. 9. Run the game as administrator. Right-click Forza Horizon 6 shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Also run Xbox app or Steam as administrator. 10. Reinstall the game if needed. Uninstall Forza Horizon 6 completely. Delete leftover save cache folders carefully. Install a fresh copy of the game again.